Welcome to CarPros Kia Used Cars. We are your #1 used car source in Tacoma. This is a 2005 Nissan 350Z. Enjoy the road. The most desirable features on board this Nissan include a heated driver's seat, power windows, a CD player, an anti-lock braking system, interval windshield wipers, and this vehicle has just over 23,000 miles. The powerful 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, never relinquishes control of the road. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this car in person. We have the widest variety and largest inventory on South Tacoma Way with over 400 vehicles in stock. All of our vehicles are priced to sell. Come and see why we sell more used cars than any other dealer. We are located at 7426 South Tacoma Way in Tacoma.